Today, in this video, I'm going to tell you 7 mistakes that are quietly making you unattractive. While the truth is that you can be far more attractive than your current version, the only problem is that these 7 mistakes have become a part of your daily life, because of which your real attractiveness is suppressed. And bro, to be honest, no matter how much money you earn, no matter how much self-care you do, if these 7 mistakes remain in your life, you will never look attractive. But if you identify these 7 mistakes and drop them even for just 1 week, I guarantee your attractiveness will increase 200 times. So let's start without wasting time with the first mistake. Before talking about skincare, I want to make one thing clear for those who think skincare is only a girl's thing. I'm saying this to every guy, looking straight into the camera. Skincare is extremely important. If you think it will weaken your alpha image, you are thinking wrong. Start skincare and watch how your alpha factor increases 3 times. I know after watching this video you must have understood how important the right skincare routine is for everyone. But this is the mistake you make the most. You have always ignored skincare. And bro, skincare doesn't mean you have to buy some expensive product or stand in front of the mirror all day. No, I'm just talking about a few basic things. Because believe it or not, the reality of today's time is that anyone notices your face first. And if your skin isn't clean, has pimples, has dark circles under the eyes, or looks dull, the other person will immediately assume that you're unattractive. So bro, completely remove these mistakes from your life, staying up late at night, drinking less water, eating junk food, or not washing your face properly. Avoid these small things because these are exactly what ruin your skin. And always remember this, to look attractive, good looks alone aren't enough. Healthy skin matters just as much. Honestly speaking, a clean, fresh, and healthy face also boosts your confidence. So drop this mistake as soon as possible. Now, let's move on to the second mistake. Let me tell you an interesting dark side of the human brain. Whenever you meet a new person, their brain forms an opinion about you within just 4 to 5 seconds. Whether you're weak, confident, an introvert, or a fairly chill and comfortable person. But wait a second, you had never met that person before, and he hadn't even told you his name. So, how did you figure all this out? The answer is simple. Our brain reads visuals before words, and the most powerful thing among those visuals is body language. The human brain first notices posture, then eye contact, then the way someone walks, and decides what kind of person you are in just 4 to 5 seconds. The problem is that nowadays a lot of people's body language has become so weak that they themselves don't even realize it. The chest stays hunched instead of upright, the head stays down, and eye contact can't even hold steady. This is exactly why whenever you enter a room, your body language shows hesitation instead of confidence. And then you wonder, why don't people take me seriously? Bro, just think about it yourself. If your own body language is telling everyone that you don't trust yourself, how will anyone else trust you? So if you want to look 10 times more attractive than your current version, drop weak body language as soon as possible and bring confidence into yourself. Now, let's move to the third mistake. Honestly, this is one of those mistakes that doesn't take much time to fix. Yet, people ignore it. Look, bro, to look attractive, your face doesn't need to be like a model's, but looking clean and well-groomed is extremely important. I won't give you any advanced grooming tips, just a few basic things that, once you follow them, will make your look sharper than it is right now. The first thing is the right haircut. Bro, the right haircut makes a huge difference in your entire look. So, instead of chasing trendy haircuts every time, choose a haircut that suits your face shape, because sometimes just changing the haircut completely changes a person's entire look. The second thing is a set beard. If you keep a beard, don't forget to maintain it, because a set beard gives you a sharp and mature look, while a messy beard makes you look careless. And if a beard doesn't suit you, clean shave is also a good option. The third thing is good smell. This sounds like a small thing, but it actually matters a lot. If your body smells good, people automatically feel comfortable around you. But if your body or mouth smells bad, your impression gets ruined no matter how right everything else is. So, keep a good perfume and take care of oral hygiene. So, bro, grooming isn't a difficult task. Just by following these basic things, right haircut, set beard, and good smell, you can look far more attractive and well-groomed than you do right now. The fourth mistake is bad dressing sense. Bro, always remember this. Sometimes the problem isn't that you're not attractive. You are attractive, but your clothes just don't let you show that look. Your dressing sense is so weak and cheap that it reduces your attractiveness by 5 times. So look, bro, for dressing sense, you just need to focus on 3 things. First, fitting. Second, color combination. And third, cleanliness. Just understand this much, and I guarantee that once you understand these 3 things, your dressing sense will improve so much that people will take time to even recognize you. Now, the biggest misconception in people's minds is that to improve dressing sense, you have to wear expensive and branded clothes. No, bro, this is the biggest wrong thinking of all time. Nobody looks at how much your t-shirt or jeans cost. People only look at how you carry your clothes. So just wear fitted clothes, choose colors according to your skin tone, and always keep your clothes clean. I won't go into much detail on this mistake because you already have this much understanding. The 5th mistake is a weak body physique. And bro, here I'm not talking about 6-pack abs or a bodybuilder physique. I'm just saying that if you don't take care of your body at all, its effect will show on your attractiveness too. Just think, your grooming is good, your fashion sense is right too, but if your body is weak, naturally your overall impression won't be as strong. On the other hand, if you exercise a little every day and try to stay fit, your posture improves, your energy level rises, and your confidence starts growing on its own too. You must have noticed this yourself. People who are physically fit often come across as more energetic and confident. But this doesn't mean you start lifting 100-kilogram dumbbells at the gym from tomorrow. No, you can just do home workouts like me too. This may not increase your body size much, but you'll look both fit and attractive. So, bro, start working on your body from today itself. With some people, the moment you see them, you get the feeling that this guy is quite impressive. Their dressing, grooming, body language, everything looks strong. But as soon as these people start talking, their communication skills turn out to be so weak that either it makes people laugh or the other person gets bored of them. Look, bro, looking attractive isn't limited to just face, hairstyle, or clothes, because after a certain point, people remember your words more than your face. And this is why communication skills play the biggest role in becoming attractive. Now, a lot of people get confused about what communication actually is. So, listen, bro, communication means understanding the other person, listening to them carefully, and putting your own point across clearly. That's why people who develop good communication skills leave a distinct mark everywhere. So, if you also want to take your attractiveness to the next level, start working on your communication skills as soon as possible. And look, bro, if you want to make your body language strong, what do you need for that? Confidence. If you want to improve your communication skills, what do you need for that? Confidence. And if you want to look attractive, want to stand out from everyone else in your group, in college, in office, or in any field, what do you need for that too? Confidence. I mean, speaking from my own experience, the most impactful and most important thing in today's time is confidence. Because confidence is something that makes every quality of yours even more powerful. Maybe your body is average. Maybe you don't look perfect. Maybe you're not even the most talented person in your group. But if you have confidence within you, people see you in a completely different light. The most special thing about confidence is that it isn't something you're born with. It's built gradually. Every time you step out of your comfort zone, every time you face your fear, and every time you trust yourself, that's when your confidence gets stronger. So, if you want to become attractive and the most respected person, bring confidence into yourself. And if you want to understand the complete science behind confidence, just click on the video on the left.